Okay, so let's open the camera finally, shall we? The DJI OSMO Pocket 3 Creator Combo. See what's in here. Now that's a get this bit of plastic off. Ooh. Bit of that. Okay. Haha. It is. What we got here? Bit of. Oh, they don't make it easy, do they? Just slide that in there. There you go. Right. See what me $800 odd has bought. Ooh, good. I don't want that. Oh, bit of weight in there. Book of rules. Yeah, read them one day. What's that for? Something. And that empties that box. See what's in this little box first. Very light, whatever's in here. That's the all that just for that. That's the camera holder. Yeah. There you go. Tells you how to do it. That's feels nice. Very yeah, tactile. Very tactile. Here's the box of goodies, the bag of goodies. Oh, that's a nice bag. Alright. Yeah. Oh, everything's in here then. Apparently. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's tiny, isn't it? It's tiny. They said it was tiny. Got a bit of weight in it though, but yeah, that's the little camera. Vroom, vroom. Yeah. Right, that's that. That's the extra battery that comes with it. So you get these extra bits. You know, you can buy the camera by itself for a few $100s cheaper, and that might be fine. But I wanted the extra bits, so like an extra battery, which just clicks on there. See them do it. Now it's got a bit more length. It's certainly got a bit of weight to that, which is okay. Doesn't feel like cheap rubbish, not cheap plastic or anything. I wouldn't want to be for the money. So how do I get that out of there now? Oh, there's a button there. Click that. Lovely. Alright, we've got that. What other presents we got? What's this? Oh, this is the famous DJI Mike. You see people walking around with these, you know, doing their vlogging and stuff, and they've got this attached to their shirt or whatever, and it's quite posh. So there's another reason I wanted it, because it comes with, as you can see, obviously it comes with this setup. So that should help improve things, where you can be quite a distance away from the actual camera, but your voice is coming through loud and clear on the remote mic there. And what else? We've got more in this little pocket here. What's this? That's sticking to me. they package it. It's all packaged up very well. It's like Christmas. Oh, having all these little presents to myself. Oh. Ah, right. I think this is the, yes, this is the little tripod stand. That's all it is. It's a little tripod stand. Yeah, and that will screw, well, not into that, there's another piece. It'll screw into the bottom of the extra battery like that, or there's an extender bit here in this little pocket. Oh, not easy to get out though, but come out of there. Right, so this is just like an extender handle with a little screw thingy. There it is, there's a screw thingy. This doesn't serve any purpose other than to extend the handle. If you're not putting that other battery on, you put this in somehow, like that. Alright, so that's there, and that then allows you to screw in the tripod or anything else that will fit in the base there that you want to avail yourself of. So that's all that is. It's an extender. Feels better, yeah, better grip. And okay, unscrew that. Is there anything else? Oh yeah, we got the charging cable. Oh yes, and of course what they call the dead cat, which is the wind blocker for the remote microphone. Oh, and a little carrying strap, wrist strap. So there's the dead cat. Ooh, like a little mouse. Ooh, my cat would love to play with that. And that just sits into that little groove there. Like so. And there you go. You've got your little wind blocking. Terrific. I think we just about covered it all now. More of the them little things. Yeah. That's it. It'll probably never go back in there again. You pay for a lot of stuff you don't probably never going to use. But so yeah. So that goes in. Now I've got to get that the right way. That's supposed to have the screen down, and that I think it goes that way. And just click into there. There we go. Does it go click or not? It seems to be. Doesn't go any other way, so that's the way she goes. And that just keeps it safe. Apparently that can clip into there as well. Install that there. Yeah. Right. So there you go. Yeah. All I've got to do now is learn how to work it all. So we'll just see if it's charged up, shall we? Take that off there. I reckon if you flick the screen round we'll turn it on. So we'll see if there's any charge in it. And we'll flick the screen around. Oh, like so. Oh, look! English! Yes. Oh, what's that say? Right. Oh. I'll you see how the the thing, the gimbal's moving as I move the camera. Oh, it's supposed to be marvellous, you know. So hopefully I'll get to play with it, figure it out. All I've done now is learn how to turn it on and off. That should turn off now. Yeah, and shuts itself down. You put it back in the case for protection. So, and in your pocket it goes or whatever. Yeah. There you go, got it. All I've got to do now is learn how to use it. That'll be the next trick. Thank you.